Welcome to the KitchenAid kitchen. I'm Hanisha. This is the KitchenAid personal coffee maker. It has an easy one-touch brewing system where at the touch of a button you can make your coffee, so it's easy and quick. It has a filter brewing system and also an electronic temperature control which provides consistent temperature of water for extraction of coffee and also a great tasting coffee. It has a removable water tank which has a capacity of 480 ml. We have here our gold tone filter, so now you do not need any paper filters. This is the brew basket which holds the gold tone filter. It comes with this really neat travel thermal mug which you can use for your coffee on the go. Simply pour in water into the water tank. Add ground coffee to the filter. And press the one-touch power button. Your coffee on the go now stays hotter in the thermal travel mug. The thermal travel mug along with the water tank can be washed with mild detergent with your hands. The brew basket and the filter can be washed in the top rack of your dishwasher. The KitchenAid personal coffee maker makes breakfast on the go special.